Hello and welcome to Cliff Cottage in Ballyvislane, Liscannor, County Clare. This is a fantastic traditional cottage restored to its original glory by the current owners, and the amazing features that you'll see throughout this property will really bring you back in time while enjoying some of the many modern luxuries at the same time. From the front of the house you can see the restoration of all the stone walls with your gated side access leading to the rear gardens and shed, but the integration of the slabbed patio onto the wall and indeed leading to the house and to the adjoining garage. You have ample space to the outside. Immediately across the road where I've parked myself, you have parking for 2 cars. You can see the distant views you have of Lahinch and Liscannor. Absolutely fantastic. And again to the right hand side you have the cliffs of Moher and the cliff walk and the wild Atlantic route. The adjoining garage is here and again restored to fantastic detail, and when I say detail, look at the slabs to the roof of the garage, just so very well respected by the current owners, and you'll see these walls that continue right throughout the site, and the forest there at the very back, that's all part of it, as is this gated access point as well, but we'll show you a little bit more on that later on in the video. We'll pop into the inside of the house to show off the level of detail that the owners have put into this home. It really is a true credit to them, and a lucky buyer will be experiencing a fantastic home overlooking the Atlantic in Ballyvislane in Liscannor. So on entering the half and half traditional door, which is of course PVC, so has the modern finishes but the traditional look. This brings you into the main entrance hallway, which is finished with that stunning flag floor that you'll see quite a lot of as we continue around the video tour. As I say, the original features that have been kept by the owners, it's just really brings you back to old world charm, but as I said, outside you have all the modern finishes that you'd expect as well. Everything has been pretty much upgraded throughout this property over the years, and you'll see that as we go around the video tour anyway. But into the main reception, and you have once again the continuation of that super flagstone flooring. You have the vaulted ceiling with the stairs leading up to the first of 2 loft rooms. So you have a stairs here to the loft room, we'll call it loft room number 1, and at the other end of the house we have a second loft room that you'll see as we continue. The fireplace again completely restored with a traditional stone. It's a solid fuel stove as well, so a great place to come unwind, relax and enjoy this amazing location and indeed this fantastic cottage. Down to the detail with the sash windows. They're a double glazed window, but the sash windows just again to ensure that the character of the cottage is retained at all times. Off this main reception you have the second bedroom. So not sure if I mentioned it when I came in the door, but the door here straight ahead of me is into bedroom number 1, and then into the main reception. As I say, you have that loft bedroom overhead, and then you're into bedroom number 2, which is an ensuite. And a very nicely appointed room we have here. Nice double bed. You can see the space that you have around the bed as well, with a wardrobe behind the door that leads into the fully tiled and very nicely finished shower room, which will leave the full inspection for your on-site view. But again, look at the little finishes that the owners have put into this, like the flagstone sills at the windows, and as I say, you have your sash windows. You may not be getting to appreciate them there, but very nice blinds, fixtures and fittings throughout the house, and again all kept to ensure the charm of the house is retained. Then into the kitchen dining, and again look at the exposure of the traditional stone with the timber panelling, just very nicely done, great taste. And again, that flagstone floor continues in from that main reception and entrance hallway. Then you're into the traditional kitchen, and once again, very, very nicely done with the exposed stone here on the left hand side. You have that connecting stained glass window that goes into the main reception as well. So you have that natural light running through both spaces. But again, look at the finishes with the Liscannor sill, the lovely outlook you have out the back. You have the Belfast style double sink unit with the mixer tap and great base units as well. Just overall a fantastic space to be enjoyed on the wild Atlantic way here in the magnificent County Clare. So Ballyvislane, if you're not familiar with where it is, you're not too far away from the Cliffs of Moher. You're literally a 2-minute drive to the Cliffs of Moher. You're a 4-minute drive to Liscannor Bay, and of course maximum 7 to 10 minutes, not even that, to Lahinch Seaside Resort and Championship golf courses. Doolin, Fenor, Ballyvaughan, all accessed very, very easily. And that access road, you're kind of set just off the road that links Liscannor onto Doolin, and you're up a little a side road, very accessible, great surface, plenty of vehicular space as on the road as well. So a really, really nice rural location, but accessible to absolutely everything that you want around you. So as we head up to the first stairs, we're into the first of your 2 loft rooms. And again, look at the feel and traditional features of this space. It's just absolutely fantastic. And when you come and see this in reality, you'll be, I think, blown away by the level of detail and just the whole wow of traditional Ireland, all wrapped up in a very, very nice package here. So then back into the entrance hallway, and we're into that first bedroom that I mentioned earlier on. And once again, look at the size of this for a double bedroom. You have an amount of furnishings in here. You have the cast iron surround fireplace. You have that door there leads into the connecting hallway, which also connects into the kitchen dining, which I'll show you very shortly. But look at this for a super space, and once again, look at the finishes. Absolutely top class. So coming from bedroom 1, as I say, nicely proportioned room, that door connecting to that hallway at the rear, and this little gem of a door here on the right hand side. That's a really cracking surprise that I'll show you very shortly. But this connecting hallway leads in back into the kitchen, out onto the back patio and gardens, and then here to the right hand side you're into a fab main bathroom. And again, you have your 4-legged steel bath. I mean, the weight of that thing, they just simply don't make them anymore, with the mixer tap, fantastic quality sanitary ware, and again, all ensured by the owner to retain the character of the original house. So that connecting hallway, as I said, this little door here, watch this for a very nice little hidden staircase. Really, really super, so well done. And you have your timber paneling done like a cave feel up into, once again, another loft room. And look at the space that's on offer up here. Absolutely super. You have a double bed here in the middle, single bed to the right. You get another single bed into the left hand side if you wanted to do so. But a super, super room. Great natural light via the Velux window. Really, really top class. So we're showing off a lot of the interior of the property. We'll take a very quick stroll out the back. We won't go showing off absolutely everything about this home. We better leave something to show off when you come and have a look. So back out to the front of the house, and you're into the adjoining garage, and a great space on offer here for storage, or indeed if you want additional accommodation. It has it all. You have the double doors here to the front of it, which could offer fantastic glazed window with great views. But again, look at the standard of the finish with the support beams, everything done the way it should be. So then popping around to the back of the house, you have these amazing gardens. Once again, the continuation of that restored wall out onto your additional, just a really fantastic outdoor space to be enjoyed. And of course, all that looks out on to your private gardens, fully tree bound to the right and to the left. Again, you have your stone walls dividing your lawn to your own private woodland at the back. All that woodland that you see, the forest behind us, is all included in this remarkable property. And then here to the additional sheds, and we leave that for your view, but again, look at the finishes to the roof. You have your upgraded boiler, fuel store. It's just all wrapped up in this fantastic home. So if you would like to arrange a viewing of this remarkable cottage in Ballyvislane, Liscannor, County Clare, please feel free to call us on 065 684 0200 or email us info@dngosullivanhurley.com. Thank you very much for watching.